Okay, shall we start? I think that the rest participant will join later. So in the afternoon session for today, we will have the group working, and we will start by the introduce the team of group working today. So please share the screen. So in the afternoon, after I already spread my schedule to you guys via the WhatsApp. So you can see that in the afternoon, at the highlight of the orange color, it will be the practice training. Actually, we would love to have the hands-on training, but the limitation of the online. So we try our best for the virtual training, practice training. So it challenge not only us, but challenge to you guys also. So firstly, I would love to recommend the team for the practice training. Okay, they will compose with many staff from biomedical engineering, Rangsit University. First, it is me gonna be the main MC for this session. Okay, you already know me. My name is Sani Bunyakun again, that I introduced myself. So we also have the guest from School of Nursing. She is the head of academic service unit, deputy director of the health welfare office. Please welcome Assistant Professor Dr. Manapon Chachamni. So she is online right now. Please say hi, Dr. Manapon, to the participant.
Hello, everyone.
Okay,
Hello,
she
Doc.
will be the practice team. Okay, the next, I would love to introduce the Assistant Professor Anantasak Wongkamhang, but right now he is online, but he is still on the duty, but he will join our practice lesson later. He is the Associate Dean for Student and Spatial Affairs, College of Biomedical Engineering. The next, close to me, please welcome Assistant Professor Dr. Pichipbun Krong. He is the Deputy Dean from Academic and Administration Affairs of a Graduate School, Rangsit University. Please welcome. And the next, please welcome Assistant Professor Acting Sub Pichipon Chotikunlanan. He is a lecturer from the College of Biomedical Engineering. He will be the team of our practice, and he will be the lecturer on the medical robots, right?
Good afternoon.
The next, okay, he will be the main practice lecturer on this afternoon. Please welcome Ajahn Anuchit Nirapai. He is the Associate Dean for Innovation and Technology, College of Biomedical Engineering, and he will give you the lecture on the topic of IT and also the big data and also the smart healthcare. Okay, I think that, okay, another one, please welcome Ajahn Ravipon Chotikunan. He is the staff from College of Biomedical Engineering, and he is in the practice team, and also he will give the lecture on the methods of the medical healthcare. And the last, Ajahn Priwat Imura, he is the staff from College of Biomedical Engineering, and he will give also the lecture on the IT topics, right? Okay, so here are on our staff now. So on the next, I would love to invite Ajahn Anuchit to give you the information about the training session of in the practice. Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. In the practice trainings, we have the 10 sessions. Okay, in the first topics today, we will introduction in the SWOT analysis. Okay, and the first ones, I don't know everyone's have a ever design in the SWOT analysis before or not?
For the SWOT analysis, I think that some of the participants who are in the administrative position, right? So I'm not sure that you are in the way of doing the SWOT analysis or not.
Okay, if
Anyone can give your hands.
yeah, if you have experience in the SWOT analysis, you can raise your hands.
Okay,
Okay.
Miss
Okay.
Nabila. Okay, so
Hello,
we were
good
gonna go
afternoon.
on the SWOT analysis, but in the different topics.
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay. In the digital transformations or the BME digital transformations, the first things we must do important things you must to do in the SWOT analysis. Okay, before you have the digital transformations. In the first, we will you discuss in the topic of healthcare systems. Okay, and the second one you will use in the lean and SWOT analysis. After your work in the SWOT analysis already, you know strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. You must to design in the lean canvas. Okay, in the lean canvas is when you want to develop of the innovations or you want to solve of the some of the problems. Okay, you're used in the lean canvas. Okay, and the third, your views when you are listens in the topic in the lecture about the smart healthcare systems, you will come back to the SWOT analysis to the smart healthcare systems. And the fourth one is the lean analysis for the smart healthcare. In the main of the topics, okay, the first you must to do in the SWOT and lean in the topic of the healthcare systems. And the second, your design in the SWOT. Some of the peoples cannot hear.
Because we have in the
I
chat
can hear
box
you.
that hear us. Can you hear
I
us?
think somewhere, yeah, I can hear, but maybe somebody is not hearing you.
Oh, okay.
I hear you.
Okay. And when you works in the SWOT and lean in the healthcare systems already, how to want to develop your healthcare to the smart healthcare systems. Okay. After that, your will discussions in the lean and SWOT in the healthcare system and smart healthcare systems. For the next, in the CMMS design, okay, in the lectures, you will learn about the medical device, how to management of the medical device. In the CMMS design, that means computerized maintenance management systems. Okay, how to manage using the computers. And after that you understand in the CMMS design, go to the design of the smart healthcare technology. When you want to design the smart healthcare technology, what's the main of the topic you must to important when you want to design. After that, we will learn about the practice in the about the technical tech, technologies. Okay, AI, big data, data analysis, metaverse. Okay, and the last one is the we will conclusions in the practice and feedback for all of you. Okay.
So here are the schedule for the practice session. So because you are from the different countries and different healthcare system, so that's why I think that it will be very important that we will do the SWOT analysis first. So we can get to know each other systems right now. And then after that, you will see the gap and see the knowledge, how to develop it, right? And then after that, you're gonna have an idea to implement, because different country, you will have the different workflows and different platforms. So that's why different resource, of course. So that's why it was like that, the mini project of your guys that gonna work together. However, as we mentioned that it will be the group work. So firstly, we as I talked yesterday that we should make the group. So I'm not sure that what is okay for you. We will separate in the country or the areas. I'm not sure. So what is your idea? What is the group that you're gonna work together? Because different country, you will have the different of the strength, different of the resources, or different of the threats and problems. So that's why the group working is very important in this case.
I can eat something.
Yeah,
Good afternoon,
I can
everyone.
hear from you. Yes,
Okay.
Nabila.
Yeah. What if we make a group like country-wise of the same time zone or some relevancy of the time zone so it will be easy?
Okay, again, please, because the volume is pretty low. So can you please?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Okay, perfect. Okay, please
Yeah,
again.
I'm saying, well, it's my idea to make a group in the country zone timings.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. Yeah.
so that we can calibrate easily.
Yeah. I agree. So do you
Uh,
want to make the group by yourself and just talking to your friends?
Actually, I don't know about the countries who are here because no one has mentioned the name like I have mentioned my country name. So if we know the country name of each participant so that we can group ourselves, but we don't know.
Okay.
So
So I
if
think that it will be better that
you make group
okay. So it will be better if you type your country into the chat box, and then you can see each other, and then your name that pop up in the Zoom. Maybe you add your country after your name.
yeah,
So you will be, you will recognize
will
that, okay, where you're
be
from,
more
something
if
like that.
we type our country name along with our names.
Yeah. Just like Nabila
Yeah.
from Pakistan. Yeah, like you did already. So another people, I recommend that
Yeah.
you should do Mr. From, I think the Sri Lanka, right? So just add the Sri Lanka after your name. And from Ghana,
No,
from
but
Namibia. So we can see that the time zone, and it will be easier for making the group. So it kind of very difficult because we are online, not just like in the on-site class. So in the on-site class, it will be easier, but we try our best. And I think that it will be the group of the Bhutan, because I saw that the big numbers of the Bhutan to join us. So maybe the group of Bhutan agree. And Amia Elizabeth, where are you from? Yeah. Okay. Ransley, Namibia. Three people from Namibia, I guess, yesterday. Not sure. Okay. Okay. So I saw that 3 members from Namibia, so you can make the group. And I'm not sure that you are in the same organization or not. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are in the different hospital or in the different organization, but you are in the same country. At least the regulation will be the same. Yes.
ต้องแบบในกลุ่มไม่อันเนี้ยกำลังให้เขาพิมพ์แล้วเดี๋ยวจะรู้ว่าจำนวนใน
Uh-huh.
เท่าไหร่แล้วเดี๋ยวพิมพ์ตาม
Yes.
ชื่อประเทศ
So right now we are sourcing the data. Okay. So if you are online now, please just typing your country here. So we will be grouping with the Zoom program, right? Deepika for Mauritius. Okay, the only one. So you want to work alone or you want to work together with your friend? Mauritius. It's an island, right? Nearby Sri Lanka? is
Hello,
it?
hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Deepika. Hi, Deepika here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
So
depends if anybody have the same time zone, we can work together, or I can work alone since we have different regulations.
In the same time zone. I think that Sri Lanka and Mauritius are in the same time zone. I'm not sure, isn't it?
Uh,
Sri Lanka and
it is
Mauritius.
10:15 here. It is 10:15 here.
10:15 in Mauritius. So how
Yes, yeah.
about what time is in Sri Lanka? Maybe 12? I'm not sure.
นี่ศรีลังกานั่นเจ๊นู่น
Okay.
นู่นศรีลังกาอยู่นั่น
Okay. Okay. Yeah, 11. Sri Lanka is 11 and Mauritius is just like 1 hour
11
different. Rwanda. So we're gonna analyze the time zone now. So as you mentioned yesterday that, okay, what time is it? So today we organize the timing, Thai time here. So you can check. Rwanda is at 8 a.m. in the morning. Oh my God. In the morning lecture, you are very early bird. Rwanda to Rwanda, right? I'm not sure, but I think that if they have many members, we can separate by the country. Yeah. Can check in the already sent. Yes, pre-Rwanda. I think that now Namibia can do themselves because they have 3 and we have 2. Mhm. Yes. Ghana. Mhm. Yeah. So right now, there are Namibia, Sri Lanka, Rwanda, Ghana, and Mauritius, and Bhutan. So I think that Namibia will be 3 of Namibians. So I think that you can make your own group. And 2 Rwanda. And how many Ghana, please? 1 Ghana or more? I think that yesterday more than 1. Rwanda 2. Bhutan 13.
I'm the only one from Ghana, I think.
Yeah, the Bhutan.
เราเห็นไหมราวาด้ากับกาน่านะ
กานากับรวันดาโอเคมาริทุสศรีลังกา
มาจัดใช่ไหม
Mauritius.
กับศรีลังกา
Yes, Mauritius.
การ
Yes.
เสร็จภูฏาน1ภูฏาน2จบ
So right now, I think that I'm not sure is this okay. So I will ask you for the agreement right now after resources your location and time zone. So I think that we will have the one group is the Namibia. Namibia will be the 3 members, right? So Namibia is one group. And I think that Sri Lanka and Mauritius can go together because you have like different time zone, only 1 hour. So Sri Lanka and Mauritius can be in the same group, okay? And the rest, Ghana and Rwanda. I think that you can go together and go to work together because we only have one Ghana and two Rwanda. Are you okay for that? Are you
Yeah, we are okay.
I'm okay.
Okay. Okay. And for Bhutan, you are big numbers. So we separate you into two groups, Bhutan 1 and Bhutan 2. Okay. Because after I got the record, I saw that they have like 13 Bhutanese. So I separate you into two groups because the one group of Bhutan, you work in the Ministry of Health, and another group, you work in the hospital. So maybe the different of the working flow. So in total, right now, we will have 5 groups now. And I will show you on the screen. If you disagree on something, just show up your hand or just say something on the microphone then. If someone have no group, you can choose the group. Or if you want to separate, it's okay. Okay, we have hands up on the Chimango. Where are you from, Mr. Chimango?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, this is
Yes.
this is Lamek Chimango from Malawi.
Malawi. Okay. So Malawi, I think that you can go together with Rwanda and Ghana, or you want to join with Namibia. I'm not sure.
Okay, whichever, yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can choose. You can choose.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
I think Lamek will come to Ghana.
Rwanda and Ghana. Yes. Rwanda.
Yes.
Yeah. Just share the screen right now. Yes. Okay. So right now, just show on the screen. It's a little bit difficult, but we try our best. So right now on the screen, are you okay for that? Namibia, I think that Namibia is 4, not only 3. Okay. I thought that Namibia is only 3 Namibias. Yeah, I think that
No,
4 or 5 people will be okay. So Sri Lanka and Mauritius can go together. Ghana, Rwanda, Malawi, are you okay to be together?
Yeah, we are very okay.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bhutan 1 and Bhutan 2. I'm not sure that, okay, which group that you're gonna join. So just choose number 1 or number 2 for the Bhutan team because you have the big numbers. Okay. Anyone else doesn't have the group? Raise your hands if you don't have the group yet. Right now we have 20 of the participants.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes. So there is a gentleman from Burundi.
Burundi. Okay.
Yes.
Burundi. Which group that you want to join or you want to go alone?
I am not sure he's online.
Uh-huh.
He was the one telling us yesterday that he's having network problems. So for now, you'd have to find a group for him.
Okay.
Apart
So
from that, he
Burundi, I
can join
think that
our group.
can go with Namibia, I think, or he can go
Yes,
with
he
the
can.
group number 3 or Malawi and
Yes,
Burundi.
he can join us.
Okay.
I'll let him know.
Yeah. What do you want to? He's not in the group right now. He's working, so that's why we need to choose for him.
Okay. Namibia บวกอะไร Namibia บวก
Namibia and Burundi.
BU
Group 1.
Mhm.
Group 1.
บวก
BU.
ดู
First group.
BU RUN
UN.
DI บุรุนดิ
Okay.
มากลุ่มละ5 คนโอเค
Okay. Okay, it will be like this. Do you agree? Are you okay? Pakistan. We forgot.
ปากีอยู่ตรง
Pakistan.
ปากีศรีลังกาบริจุสใกล้กัน
Miss Dabila, which group that you want to join from Pakistan?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Group one. You mean Namibia 4 people plus Burundi, or you mean Namibia plus Burundi? What is that? Because Namibian we are
Namibia
4.
plus Burundi, because I think that Namibia you have 3 members, right? From Namibia
No,
and
no, we are
plus 1
4.
with the Burundi.
Namibia we are 4.
4. So okay, it will be 5 people.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
13 นาทีคูณ2
And Pakistan, Pakistan.
ที่ผ่านกับปูตานก็ไม่ได้ไกลกันมาก
Pakistan.
ไม่2ก็4
ไปไหนแล้ว Where are you, Pakistan?
เติมเข้าไปเลยก็ได้กลุ่ม2บวกกลุ่มละ5 คนนะใส่ไปเลยปากีสถาน PAKI STAN STAN เขียนไปเลยเขียนเป็น555ให้หมด
So are you okay? So we design the group for you guys, and we will go on this group until the end of the project, right? Yes. Because if you change the group, it will be a little bit messed up. So I think that we can go together with these members. So in the case, if another one just added and not join today, and you want to join later, so we fix for the 5 group, and you just put yourself in the group that you think in the same time zone as your country. Okay, it will be easier. However, in the case if you want to do it alone, again, you can do that and just inform us. Okay. Right now we have 5 groups. However, the Bhutans, you need to manage yourself that group number 4, group number 5 that you want to join. Okay. So today we're gonna start from the practice today. Maybe some people ask that why do we need to do the SWOT analysis and lean analysis today? I think that the role of the BME, not only fixing or maintenance. However, if you want to step up into the administrative position, I think that the idea of the SWOT analysis and lean analysis is the key topic that is very important. So that's why we put this topic into our training, because our training is not for normal biomedical engineer, but upskill for biomedical engineer.
This concept can I think this concept for like you can share idea and hit the point how to resolve this problem that
Right.
your area.
Right. Because as I already mentioned that different areas, different countries, so you will have different problems. Because the problem, just like in Thailand, we have some problem, but in Ghana or in Rwanda, you may have another problems. So that's why it's just like that. It's very good opportunities that we can share to each others. Okay. Okay. So please give the group name.
Can you create
The name.
for the group name?
Yeah.
as your need.
Yeah. You can send it later because you may need the agreement together with the members for the group name. So it will be easier for us to just like ask Rwanda, Malawi. So just have the group name.
And also we are going to send you the email, the group.
Okay. So the next, Ajahn Anuchit will give you the idea of the SWOT analysis. Of course, some of you already knew that. However, okay, it will be more convenient if we write members' name in Bhutan 1 and Bhutan 2. Okay. Okay, hold on. We have time then. Burundi 1, yeah. In total, 5 people.
เมื่อกี้ผมนับอยู่แต่ผมนี่ศรีลังกาเหมือน2 บวก 1 บวก
Ajahn, we decided to divide ourselves, okay, among department and hospital group. Okay, thank you, Sonam. Sonam is from Bhutan, so she recommend that the Bhutan will design to divide ourselves. Okay, thank you. So later on, you will just put the name of the group members later on. Okay, thank you. So we will circulate the group and you will add the name later on. We will send in the, many platform because, right now we have varieties platform, but I think that the most effective one is a WhatsApp and email. So we're going to confirm via email and also the WhatsApp. That is a platform, main platform that we're going to communicate to each others. Okay. Ajahn, you're going to start for the SWOT analysis, right? Okay.
Okay. We will start in the first of the topic for your practice today before you go to practice in the SWOT analysis. Okay. The first things I must to know about the SWOT analysis. Okay. Okay. In the SWOT analysis, they consist of the four parts. In the first, S is come from the strength. Strength, this means it's good for you inside, okay? And the next is the weakness. Third one is the opportunities. And the last one is the threat, okay? And the objective when...
Any questions?
Okay. And the topic we will know about what is the SWOT analysis and aim of the SWOT analysis, who needs the SWOT analysis, how to conduct about the SWOT analysis, benefits of the SWOT analysis, brainstorming, priority in the SWOT analysis, and the last is the exercise for you in the SWOT analysis. Okay. And in the SWOT analysis, okay, I talked to you already in the strengths, weakness, opportunity, threats. Okay, in the four main point in the SWOT analysis. This is a technique is created in the Stanford universities in the 1960s. Okay, and this one is used for the planning tools. Okay, for the understand when you want to do some things, you must to know the strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats in the project or your business. Okay. In the biomedical engineering, if you can analyze in the SWOT analysis, is the have the many benefit with you. Okay. When you want to transformations in the smart biomedical engineering or smart healthcare. Okay, for the next one is this is a framework for the organized using the data and situation analysis. They using the internal and external environment. Okay. And this one, if you are use this one, you can change the data in the current situations in the SWOT analysis for you want to use, okay, in the SWOT analysis. The first things you will know about the first strengths. Strength is the characteristics of the business or the teams. This give the advantage in the industries or the departments, okay? As this is the positives of the tangibles and intangibles attributes internal on to the organizations, okay, and benefits aspects of the organizations or the capabilities of the organizations. For the examples, okay, example in the strengths, if you are have the some of the products, your product is the have the well-known brand something you know of the Netflix or the WhatsApp some things. Okay, this is a thing for you because it's a well-known. Okay, and the some they have the many of the thing in your sales. Okay, this is the internal factors when you want to decide in the SWOT analysis. The next one is the opportunities. Opportunity is the good factor for you is the from external factors. That means if you want to do some of the products, some of the systems, the you want to discuss or the main point you must to concern this one in the opportunities, chance to make the greater profits in the environments. This is come from the externals, attractive factors. Okay, in this one. For the examples, if you are see in the rapid market goals, level firm are presents changing customers needs, okay, and so on. In the government, something government decide for the some of the policy to do something in the biomedicals or the biomedical products, okay. And the next one, in the next one is the weakness. The weakness is come from the internal factor by yourselves. This means characteristic that has the firm at the disadvantage relative to the others. Okay, the weakness. Restrict the organization from its abilities to address the core goal and influence its goal. Weakness are the factor which do meet the standard we feel that should means, however, weakness are controllable, there must be minimized and eliminated of the weakness. Okay. In the example of the weakness is the limit of financial resource, weak spends on the R&D, value never product lines, limits of the distributions, or the higher cost. In the weakness, you can you can control in this case, okay, because this one you must to minimize and eliminate of the weakness, okay, when you want to do. And the last one is a stress. This is a external element in the that could cause trouble for your business, for your department or your products. External factor beyond and the organization control. That means you're not to control in the stress. Okay. Different with the opportunity. In the opportunity, you can control in the opportunities, and this test you are not to be controlled. This one. Okay. And like when the condition is the external environments, the reliability and profitabilities of the organization business. In the examples, entries of the foreign competitors, introduction of the substitute product life cycle in the design, changing the customer needs some things. Okay. And this one, you know about the SWOT analysis as WOT already, and you know strength, you know the weakness, you know the opportunity, you know from the threats. Okay. And this one, if you have the idea for this course, you can think about what's the pro- problems or the what is the topics you want to do in the SWOT analysis. Okay, such as you can be use the SWOT analysis in the biomedical engineering in the hospitals, or the SWOT analysis for the biomedical engineering product development in your country or something like that. Okay. And when you know about the what is the SWOT analysis already, and go to the aim of the SWOT analysis. In the SWOT analysis, you can separate to the categories, two categories. The first is the helpful. Helpful, that means is the have the advantage for you in the strength and opportunities. And the second one is harmful. Harmful, that means you must have the disadvantage for this in the weakness and threats. Okay. In the SWOT analysis is aimed to the help decision maker share and compare the idea. That means SWOT analysis must to be is the group discussions and work groups. You cannot do alone when you are do in the SWOT analysis. Okay, you must to do in the groups, and to bring the clearer common purpose and understands of the factor for the success. To organizations, the important factor linked to the success and the failure in the business world. Okay. Next is the to analyze issue that have led to the failure in the past. And the last one is to provide linearity to the decision maker process, allowing complex idea to be the present systematically. Okay, this one. And when you who need the SWOT analysis, in the SWOT analysis is the can use for the managements, can use for the business units, and can use in the companies. Okay, that's why you want to know about the SWOT analysis in the biomedical engineering digital transformations. Okay, that means you must to apply SWOT analysis to the management in the biomedical engineering, or if you want to do in the business units or go to do in the company, you can apply this one. In the management, when the supervisor have the issue with the work outputs, when your supervisors assign your works, the first things, if you want to do in your groups, the first you must to analyze in the SWOT analysis. And the next one is for the management. If your advisor assign the new jobs, new financials, or the job holder seek to improve performance on the jobs. Okay, used for the management. And the second is the business units. When the team have not met the targets, okay, and sometimes you have the problems, the first thing you must to do in the SWOT analysis for find what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your opportunity and threats, and you can develop of the weakness for solve the problems. Okay, and the second is the customer service can be better. Launching a new business, you need to the pursue a new business. New team leader is a appoint. Okay, and the last one is a company when the revenue cost expense targets are not being the achieved. If you have the targets and you are not to succeed or not meet the targets, how to work in this one? Okay, in the SWOT analysis, it can help to you. Market share is the deciding in industry conditions are the unfavorable. Launching a new business ventures, something like that. Okay, in the SWOT analysis. Okay, that means in the biomedical engineering or the healthcare. Okay, we must to be applied in the SWOT analysis. Okay. And when you do of the SWOT analysis, they have the many of the data. Okay. And when you must to use in the SWOT analysis, okay. If you do of the sum of the products or the sum of the systems, the first thing you must to do in this is the goods and service evaluations, as you go to the brainstorming meetings and use the for the strategic plannings, okay, and go to the product evaluations and come to the competitor evaluations and go to the personal developments. In this one, all of the steps you will use in the SWOT analysis for each steps. Okay, and go to the decision makings and go to the product launch and effectiveness in the markets. Okay, in this, if you are do in these steps, you can apply in the SWOT analysis for each steps. Okay. And how to conduct SWOT analysis. Okay, the first things, okay, this one, if you know already about the SWOT analysis, and when you go to work in your group work, okay, in this course, the first thing you must to analyze internal and external environments. Okay, what is internal and external environments? Internal environment such as the cost or your monies, your peoples, and external element is the about the policy of the government, something like that, or the law is this. And when you know about the internal and external environment already, you go to the perform of the SWOT analysis. In the SWOT analysis is you will see in the square. Okay, you will see in the picture later. Okay, and prepare the action plans. Okay. For the analysis of the internal and external elements, you must to see in the situation analysis. Okay, in the situations. If you have the these the situations for today, we want you to create by yourself what is situations. Okay, what is your want to focus, and when you have the situations already, you go to find about the internal analysis and external analysis. Okay, and you know about the internal and external analysis already, you go to separate them to the weakness and strengths for the internal analysis. For the for the external analysis, you are separate to the opportunity and threats. Okay, in the strength is the advantage for you. Opportunity is the advantage. In the weakness is the disadvantage. Threat in the disadvantage. Okay. And this one, if you work in the SWOT analysis, you will must familiar with these pictures. In this picture is separate to the SWOT. Okay, for the first in the blue colors is a strength, and your list of your strength. Okay, your strength in your groups or in your company or in your products, and weakness. Okay, your list of the weakness in here. Okay, such as the weakness in the weak bands, poor access to the distributions. Okay, and you will see this one. This one is the combined to the internal factor, come from the internal factors. Okay, and when you know about the strength and weakness already, you go to the list of the opportunities. Opportunity is the such as the changing of the customer task, technology advance, change the government politics. Okay, and threat. Threat is the such as the changing customer base, causing the geographic markets. Okay, in the tree. This one is combined together. O and T is the external factors. Okay, and for the if you see in this side, okay, this is combined to the positive factors. Okay, positive factor, that means it consists of the strength and opportunities, and negative factor is the weakness and the threat. Okay, and go to next. Okay, when you analyze in the external factor and internal factor already, you go to the perform of the SWOT analysis and prepare to the actions. When you perform the SWOT analysis, the first thing you must to do, okay, first is the attributes, the objective. What you want to do? Okay, the specific of the topics or specific of the case or the situations. And next, select the contributors. Contributor, that means the experts' opinion may be required for the SWOT. If you want to do something, if you don't have the knowledge in this one, you must to find the expert for the youth, for the experience for these topics for you or some things. Okay, and the next is the allocate research and information gathering test. Okay, find the research papers or the some of the project is for the previous work. Okay, and create the workshop environments. Okay, and the next list of the strength, weakness, and opportunities. Okay, and the next is the evaluation list idea against objectives. Okay, and the sort the fact in the pictures and idea in the picture. This is have the relate to the objectives. And the next is the carry your finding forwards. Okay, in the SWOT, when you have the sum of the factor in the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats already, you must be the order. What is the importance from the very the most important to the less of the importance. Okay, and when you see your works in the SWOT analysis already, and go to the prepare of the action plans. In the action plan in the SWOT analysis, the first things you must to define what's the factor or the things that must to be done immediately. Okay, and the next, what is the factor or thing that can be the handle now? Okay, and the next is a thing that should the research features, and the last one thing is should be planned for the future. That means if you have this one, okay, if you have the list of the list for the point already, and you will see this one is the most important for you. What to do now? Okay, immediately. Okay, what's the weakness you want to solve? Okay, something. And now you know already what is the SWOT analysis and aim to the SWOT analysis, who needs to the SWOT analysis and how to conduct. And go to the learn the benefits of the SWOT analysis. The benefits of the SWOT analysis, that means you know of the competitions. Okay, if you have this one, you will see the opportunity, you will see the weakness, strength, and threats already. And you can go to the competitor or review company competitors, benchmark again them to the conflict strategy that will put the company in the competitive advantage. And the next is can the forecast things, okay, provide the varieties of the information critical to the forecast valuable threats can impact business forecast by understanding the company advantage, disadvantage forecast will be more accurate. Okay. The benefits of the SWOT analysis is the help in the setting objective for the strategic plannings, provide a frameworks for the identifies and analyzing strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat, provides impetus to analyze situations, development suitable strategy and tactics. Basics of the accessing core capability and competencies. Evidence for the culture key to change. Provide the stimulus to the participations in group experience. This is the benefits of the SWOT analysis. Okay, and the pitfall of the SWOT analysis is a disadvantage is can be really is subjective. Two people rarely come up with the same final versions. Use the guide Arnold is a prescriptions. Okay, this is a pitfall of the SWOT analysis. Okay, you can this and this one. Okay, in the brainstormings and prioritizations in the SWOT analysis, when you have the brainstorming already, you must to set up the prioritization. Okay, you are begin of the brainstorming by the asking the follow these questions. Okay, this is a guide for you when you want to decide in the SWOT analysis. The first, you must to ask yourself or your friends in your groups, what opportunity exists in our external environments. Okay, and the next, what threats to the institution exist in our external environments? What are the strengths for our in situations? What are the weakness of the in situations? Okay, and when you have this the answer for this question already in the brainstorming, you go to see at the end of the brainstorming exercise, reduce the list of the strength, weakness, okay, to no more than 5 detective competencies, okay, and debilitating weakness, okay, and strengths that are the detective competency, weakness is the debilitating, reduce test and opportunity to the files. Okay, okay, and if you see in this, that means when you are brainstorming already, you must have the many of the strength, many of the weakness, opportunity, and threats. And when you are done already, you must to reduce all of the factor to the five. Okay, five factor. Okay, and this one is the guideline for you in the strengths. Okay, and you will ask your friend, what do you do well? What's the unique resource can you law on? What do others see as your strengths in the strengths? And you list the answer here. Okay, you can list the answer here. And weakness, what could you improve? Where do you have fewer resources than others? What are others likely to see the weakness? And you list the answer here. Okay. And this one, opportunity. What the opportunity are open to you? What trend could you take advantage of? How you turn your strength into opportunities? Okay. And write your answers in here. And threats. What threats can harm you? Okay, what is a competition doing? What threats do your weakness expose to you to? And this one, okay, this one I will send the Excel in the Excel file to you in the WhatsApp. Okay, and you can list of the strength, weakness, opportunity, threats in your groups. Okay. And when you works in the SWOT analysis already, now today we work only this one, okay, only this one, and you fill the answer here, okay, fill the answer here for each group. When you design of the SWOT analysis already, the must to do before your complete of the SWOT analysis, you must to see in the TOWS matrix. This one is PS of the strategy in your organization, in your groups. Okay, you will see in this matrix, they consist of the strengths, consist of the weakness, consist of the opportunity and threats. And when you combine together strengths with the opportunities, okay, strength with the opportunity, we call SO strategy. That means leverage strength to the minimize opportunity. This one we call attacking strategies. And weakness combined with the opportunities, counter weakness to the appointing opportunities. This one is the we call the build strength for the attacking strategies. And if you combine the strength with the threats, okay, SG strategies. This one is leverage strength to the minimize threats. This is the core defensive strategy. Okay, and the last one, combine the weakness and threats. We call the WT strategy, counter weakness and threats. This one is used for the build strength defensive strategy. Okay, this is I think is overall for the some of the idea in the SWOT analysis. Okay, and now you have your group already, right? And I will separate you, okay, to the groups in the breakout room in the Zoom.
Excuse me, I don't know my group.
Okay, from Pakistan, I think that we already managed you, but I'm not sure that you will agree with that because I think that only one Pakistan, right? So I think that can you be together with Sri Lanka, Mauritius? I'm not sure that are you in the same time zone? Sri Lanka and Mauritius can add with the Pakistan. Maybe you need to check for your time zone. So again, please show the group.
Oh, very sorry. Hello. I also don't know where I can be in
Okay.
Republic of Moldova, please.
Okay, so we're gonna show again on the group previously that we separate and ask for your agreement. So right now, previously, when we ask the region of the countries, so we make only 5 group. The first group, maybe you name later, composed with the Namibia, Burundi. So 4 Namibia and 1 Burundi. So totally 5 people. And the group 2 composed with the Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and Pakistan. I'm not sure that you agree with that. If you not agree, so just give us a comment. And for the group number 3, as they are from the same time zone of Africa, so composed with the Ghana, Rwanda, Malawi, and for Bhutan, so they have like big numbers of the Bhutanese in this training. So we separate into 2 groups of Bhutan. So the Bhutanese will separate and decide by themselves that which group that they're gonna join. So the rest of that you don't have the group. So do you want to join the group that we already made, or you want to add the new group by yourself? So it's your choice.
Madam, just a questions.
Yes.
What about Fiji?
Fiji.
Since
Okay. Yeah.
there's 3 of us are joining.
Yeah. The Fiji. I think
Billy
that
and
you.
myself.
Yeah. I'm not sure that you are so so far time zone compared to others. So
Because
do
we
you
are just
want to
close
play
to each
alone
other
for the
here.
Fiji?
Can we form one team, Fiji?
Fiji. I think that only one Fiji. And I'm not
there's
sure that
Billy,
who else in the same time zone as yours.
Well, there's 3 of us joining this.
What time
Billy
in
is
Fiji
there.
right now? What time in Fiji
Currently,
right now?
the time in Fiji is 7:07.
7:07 in the evening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening to you, ma'am.
So totally different than others. Then. So if the
So
time
Billy
zone
and
is,
myself, we
if the
are
time
here
zone-
based in Fiji.
So okay, you decide. You want to separate yourself, or you want to add yourself with the friend in different time zone. It depends on you. It's kind of difficult too, because some from Africa, some from Asia, and some from Fiji, Oceania, so very different around the world. We make the time zone because sometimes you need to just like brainstorming and working in the group together. So the same time zone may be easier for you. But in the case, if you said, okay, no problem, I want to join with another group, okay, depends on you. What do you think?
Is it possible we can form one group? Because 4 of us here in Fiji are joining the live, and we are just close to each other at the moment.
Yeah. So it depends. Just add it. Yeah. Just make make your choice that which group that you're gonna stay together, which group that you want to stay with them, or you want to separate. Fiji.
Ma'am, can
you open again so they can see that, okay, the group.
Okay, can you open the group again, ma'am?
Okay, now. So which group that you want to join, or you want to add another group like the group number 6, only Fiji?
Yeah, can we add another group number 6?
Yeah, okay. Add another group of Fiji. The number 6. Yeah, Fiji, because they are he is a very different time zone. FIJI. No. Fiji is more important than Australia. Yeah, hold on. Okay.
So I'm in group 2.
Yeah.
From Pakistan?
Are you okay with that? Because previously
Yeah.
you offline, so we try to manage the, the close time zone for you. So we
It's
guess that
totally
Sri
fine.
Lanka,
I'm okay with
Pakistan,
it.
and
Actually, I have some internet connection.
yeah, I'm not sure. So if you disagree, just fine.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So, ma'am, thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. So you work alone. Fiji. Yes.
Fiji.
Good. Nice. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Very sorry
And
for
who else?
disturbing. Yes,
Yes.
please. Republic of Moldova. May I be in group
Moldova.
2, please? Yes.
Moldova is in European country, right?
Yes.
So maybe you cannot join anyone and you need to separate. It's fine for Moldova.
No, thank you, thank you. It's okay for group 2, please, with Mauritius. It's close to my time
Mauritius?
zone. Yes, Pakistan
Okay.
too. Thank you.
Yeah. So can we add Moldova, right? Moldova.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. This is okay for you guys, right?
Yes, amazing.
Okay, thank you. And who else that you doesn't have the group yet? Okay. I think everything okay now until they have another participant join us later. So, okay, we always make the new group, no problem with that. Because we try to assign you the mini project because Ajahn Anuchit already gave you the basic idea about the SWOT analysis. So we want to hear from you that, okay, what is your SWOT analysis in healthcare system, right? Or in your organization? Firstly, maybe you just like analyze in the group and just make like the analysis. So we're gonna send you the form of the SWOT analysis, and then you work together in the group. And then tomorrow, is it okay? Is it too fast to send back the homework? Too fast for you?
And you have some of the presentations in the SWOT analysis for each group.
Right.
Okay.
So do you think that one day is enough for you guys? Especially Fiji, because you already in the evening.
Whatever you like for us here in Fiji.
Yeah.
Whatever times that you like schedule.
Okay, tomorrow we're gonna come back at 1 p.m. Thai time for the presentation and for the SWOT analysis that we're gonna assign the job for you today. So do you think that you can finish within one day, or if you cannot, we give you more time then? Because we want to hear from you for the, adopt the idea of SWOT analysis and analyze your healthcare system from your country, because, we don't know that much about your country and we don't know about your healthcare system. So to get to know more each other, the first thing that is the presentation and tell us your story. What do you think? And of course, it may be later better that, okay, you make the, the roughly presentation for us and let us see the perspective of your healthcare system.
Madam, Professor, is
Yes.
this kind of like assignment, right? If it's assignment, why can you not give us 2 days? Then we can present
2
it
days.
on
2 days, yes.
Yeah, 2 days.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. Yeah. The
Thank you very
professor
much.
always kind. So if you negotiate 2 days, okay, 2 days.
Yeah, thank you for Professor.
Yeah. So this is a form of the SWOT analysis. So we will circulate this form to the WhatsApp and also in the email. So you can just, make the appointment or brainstorming together with the members into your group. However, I know it's kind of difficult because, we are online, but we try our best because firstly, we want to have the on-site. It's much more easier, right? However, okay, we try our best, but just believe on the, internet and connection technology this day. So we do hope that you can finish it within 2 days.
Okay, in this form, when you have the working in your groups, the first you want to fill in the topics you want to do in your groups and group name here. Okay, and type the group names, and the first is the list of the thing in the SWOT analysis. Okay, this is depend on you. Okay, because this one is at least five answer here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's too late, so I think that you're not practice enough. So they need to set up the topic by themselves, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can set up your topic by
Can you
yourselves.
give an
Okay.
example for them?
For the example is if you want to develop of the biomedical or the medical device, want to develop of the medical device, what is your thing in your when you are develop of the medical device?
Okay. In like, okay, just being like you are an inventor.
Yeah. You have the inventor, you have the relationship with the government or some things. This is your can lead in the when you want to develop of the medical
So it
device.
depends on the topic that
Okay.
they're gonna set up,
Yeah.
right? So if you set up the very difficult topic, it will be the difficult job.
Because this one is the first time for you. Okay, and for this one is the master SWOT analysis in your patient's works or something. Okay, not to design for the smart something, not to do this one.
Just for the basic topic
Yeah,
first.
for the
Just
basics.
practice at least for the objective of the practice. It's just like that. Okay, want you to define the SWOT factors, isn't it? Yes, and don't worry that you're gonna make it wrong or right. We're gonna discuss later in the group. Yes, we're gonna have the discussion class.
Yeah, they have the 4 parts. Okay, in the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats.
So in the case, if I want to make the topic like the engineering facility in my hospital, can I do that?
Okay, this one is you can do this one. Okay,
Example,
yeah.
just like, okay, my hospital in my country, my strength. What is it? My strength. What is my weakness? My hospital. And what is my opportunity? And what is my threat? In the topic of my hospital, something like that. Sanda, you hands up, right? Sanda.
Yes, please. Madam Professor, if may I put a question, please?
Yes.
For this exercise, like we have to choose the topic and then develop strengths, weakness for based on our country. For example, if you could explain for group 2, we are here for countries. At the end, we should have one table, or we should have 4 different tables for 4 different countries. How should we work?
It can be possible because if you set up the topic of the hospital or healthcare system in each country, but you mix with the different countries, right? So I think that it's better that you separate the table. However, if you set up the topic like, okay, I am an engineer and I want to make the new medical device. So you just take a look on the topic, something like that.
Okay, if you are in your group is have the different factors, you can put in the answer here, and you have the baggage here, and This one for the name of the country. Okay, you can read this one. Okay.
Okay, hands up again.
Yeah,
Did
thank you.
we give you the right answer, Sanda? Are you okay? Okay,
Yes,
so
yes, sorry, thank you.
another hands up.
Mekonjo. Yes, Professor.
Mokonjo,
Yeah.
right? Mekonjo.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
Professor. Yeah,
Okay.
we would like our Burundi colleague to send her or his number here so that we can add for him or her on our group because we don't know the person. The Burundi colleague that was sent to Namibia group.
Yes. Hello?
Okay, the group, right?
Mekonjo.
Yes.
Yes, I have his number. I've texted him about the group.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, so I'll send it to you.
Yeah, we
okay,
already add you into the Namibia.
Okay.
Burundi, yes. I already add you. Yeah. Yes. Namibia 4 and Burundi, yes, you can go together. I guess that you are in the same time zone. And maybe you have some similar of the resources. Burundi. Mekonjo, he already asked. Yeah. More questions?
One more, please.
Yes.
Sorry, during the exercise, Madam, where could we ask for details or where can we write and to get the questions for this exercise? In
Okay,
WhatsApp
you can post
or
in the
via
WhatsApp. You can post in the WhatsApp. And after this, Ajahn Anuchit will make the separate room for each group. So you can just communicate to your members in the group. We're gonna break the room in the small chat group, right? Yes. Okay, we show that. Just show that.
Thank you.
Yeah. It is.
ที่หนุ่มมันขึ้นไหมที่พี่หนุ่มมันขึ้นให้เบรกเอาชุดเบรกเอาป่ะไม่ขึ้นเหรอ
Hold on. Technical problem. How to. We will try to set up the small group for you guys.
Please, host can do aside the breakout room.
Yeah.
Ajahn Bơn.
Yeah, he already joined. Slide down. Yeah. Sanda already done. So here are the big room. So you just can click in the join. So you can go into the group and then you will have the private room for your members to discussion. Hold on. We try to fix it. We're fixing.
Okay, in now I open in the breakout room already. I want you to go to the menu of the breakout rooms in the below your menu. Okay, in the Zoom, you will see the breakout room and click in the breakout room already. When you click already, you go to your groups. Okay, you go to your groups.
Excuse me, Professor. So since the assignment is for 2 days, what is the program for tomorrow?
The assignment is for 2 days. So what we're gonna do for tomorrow, we're gonna give the ideas. Yeah, for the next step.
For the problem, if you have the problem in the SWOT analysis, you can discussion tomorrow,
Yeah.
and you will learn about the another of the analysis is the lean canvas. Okay.
So tomorrow class, it will be the small lecture of the lean analysis in the afternoon. And we're gonna open the session in the case if you're not clear about the assignment that we assigned you today, tomorrow, so you can come and you can ask us. And then the presentation will be complete and on the next 2 days.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So the class will be at 1 p.m. Thai time.
Yeah, 1 p.m. Thai time.
Thank you
We are
so
so
much.
sorry because firstly, when we apply for the applications for this grant and this training grant, we suppose that you are going to Thailand and join us on site. But unluckily, maybe the next year, we always welcome all of you guys to Thailand, and we going to the another training class of international training course from TIGA.
Oh, thank you much. It's so interesting. You were expecting actually to come to Thailand, but we find it online, so we have to keep up with what we have and appreciate the best to come on ahead.
Yeah, we are trying our best because firstly, we looking forward to see all of your guys in person, but after that, they just inform us that okay, it will be the online training, so it's kind of
But
difficult.
probably next year we are not the one who will be selected.
Yes, probably next year, and we always welcome. Have you ever been to Thailand?
No, I've never been to Thailand.
And you want, right?
And yeah, I want so much. You want to have a hands-on experience on the development sector of health. So, but unfortunately, I don't think next year they will select me for representing my country.
Okay, if
Probably
we have
another one will come.
Okay, if we have time, we will virtual travel in the Thailand for the some of the Thai cultures and some of the place for the travel for you. Okay, for the if we have the time.
We'll try.
Yeah, thank you so
Just
much.
like virtual experience. And maybe we're gonna make the video clip for you to take a look on our faculty, just like visit our laboratory room and see how we manage for the maintenance of the medical devices. As yesterday that the Dean of Biomedical Engineering College, he informed that we have many sectors like the small business sectors in Rangsit University that we have like the maintenance service for the hospital in Thailand also. So we're gonna do the virtual video clip for them, okay? So you can see, not only see us sitting in the table here, but we're gonna just like make the live. Okay, we will try our best then. So I think that today, we set up the group for you, and maybe you need to have time to working together, and we do understand that some of your guys still need to work at this moment because we are in the different time zone, or someone get ready to go back home like in Fiji. So we will end up the session today. Oh, you still hands up? Avudi, are you asking something?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So my colleague was asking if you'll be picking the same people next year. I think I didn't get.
Okay. You want to have a chance, right?
Is that possible?
I'm not sure. You know, it's not our role to select the participants. The selection will be made by the Ministry of International Affairs, and we just got the name list of the participant. But in the case, if I can be joined in the committee of the selection, I gonna ask them that, okay, on the last year of the member, they are lack of the opportunities for the online, so can just like compensate them by the on-site or not. I will try my best then.
Thank you so much.
That
Okay.
is
I will be looking
actually what
forward
we're
for.
looking for.
Yes,
We
yes,
very much
yes.
appreciate it.
Yeah, we want to come to Thailand, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
We
want to
have
come
to come.
to South Africa
Yes.
also. We
Yes, you are
also
welcome
want-
here. You are welcome.
Yeah. So just invite us.
Okay,
You have
Professor. We will.
voice for us.
Pardon? Okay. Any questions? So if you have no question today, I think that we already gave you an excitement, and we will come back in the morning. Again, it will be the lecture class. And in the afternoon, you will see our team here, and we are ready to answer your questions about your assignment. Are you okay for that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for today. And if you have some question, or if you have some problem about the connection and join the group, blah, blah, so just text us in the WhatsApp. I think that is the most effective platform that we are in connection right now. Okay. So today, thank you very much for your time, for your working time, and for your resting time to join us. And see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for today.
Bye-bye for today.
Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.